Hey everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're diving into Rank Math SEO, a powerful plugin for WordPress that can help you optimize your website for search engines. Let's get started. Rank Math is a comprehensive SEO plugin that helps you improve your site's visibility in search engines. With features like keyword optimization, XML sitemaps, and advanced schema markup, it's a must-have for anyone serious about SEO. First, let's install Rank Math. Go to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New. Search for Rank Math SEO and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. After activation, you'll be greeted by the Setup Wizard. Click Start Wizard to begin the configuration process. The Setup Wizard will guide you through several steps. You can connect your Rank Math account or skip this for now. Next, choose your website type: personal blog, business website, or e-commerce. Make sure to select the options that best fit your needs and click Next to continue. In the general settings, you can configure site-wide SEO settings. Here you can enable or disable features like automatic updates, redirections, and local SEO options. Adjust these settings based on your preferences. Always remember to save your changes. Now, let's optimize the post. Open one of your blog posts and scroll down to the Rank Math meta box. Here, you can add your focus keyword. Rank Math will analyze your content and give suggestions to improve your SEO score. Follow the recommendations for the best results. Rank Math automatically generates XML sitemaps. You can find the sitemap settings under Rank Math in the sidebar. Here you can customize which post types you want to include. Your sitemap is located at yourdomain.com/sitemap_index.xml. Submitting this to search engines is crucial for indexing your site. Rank Math also offers built-in analytics. You can track your site's performance right from the dashboard. Go to Rank Math and select Analytics to view your keywords, traffic, and more. And that's a quick overview of how to use Rank Math SEO in WordPress. With these tools, you can significantly enhance your site's visibility. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.